and welcome back to another video. As you can see, we have finished the fencing. We've put the last little bit up and now I'm going to paint it. The never-ending job of painting this fence. It's not even a big fence, but it's taken me forever. It's actually a really nice day today. It's quite mild. The sun is out. The ground is still very soggy, but at least it's not raining. Hopefully we'll make some progress today. And in a bit, I will show you the plants I got at our latest shopping trip. So I'm very excited about putting those in. And then I'm hoping to get the driveway cleaned up a bit. We can only hope. So let's get on with it. So we painted the fence and now it's the best bit because we get to plant all the plants. We've bought some extra ones yesterday and I'm finally going to get the bulbs in.
Yeah.
So now I'm just going to put some of these ducks in, ready for the spring. So I'm doing 2 clumps, no 3 clumps I think, there's 15 bulbs there. So I'm going to do 3 clumps of 5 bulbs each. So they hopefully look good when they come up. So I've just got the last of the bulbs to put in. So I've got some crocuses and I thought it might be quite nice just to have a little row in the front there, just in front of the drive. So we've dug like a little trench and we're going to put those bulbs in there. So these don't have to be very deep, they're only 5 centimetres deep. So, and 5 centimetres apart. So I'm just going to space them along here. Hopefully that will work. Might have to put some more in next year. There we go. All done. Now we need to clear up the driveway because it's a bit of a mess. Emily's getting absolutely soaked and she soaked us, completely soaked us. George is getting soaked, covered in mud. So I'm really pleased with the progress that we've made today. We have managed to get the bulbs in. We've moved a pyracantha to this corner and we've got the pittosporum, a rose, the nandina, the smoke bush. This is a conifer blue star. It's got like little blue tips to it. So this is the Carex Everillo. And then we've got cornus. This plant I really like because it looks a bit like sage, but it's not. And it's got this beautiful white edging. And then we've got a ceanothus, which have beautiful blue flowers that will grow up there. So really pleased with everything we've done today, and we've managed to clear the driveway. It's very wet at the moment, but we have managed to give it a bit of a clean, get rid of some of the mud. So every year I make a Christmas wreath for our front door, and I thought I would time-lapse me making one, so you can see how I do it. I don't do anything special. I just gather some foliage from outside, and I've got a few extra things that I have bought to put on. So I will show you that time-lapse now. So here is our Christmas wreath, all in place. Not too bad. I think I've got one little bit wonky bit over here. I have to tuck that in or something. Let's try and tuck that in. There. This bit sort of hanging out the top, but never mind. Not bad. So the foliage is all natural, but then I have bought some little fabric poinsettias with gold edging, and some, if you can just see, some silver glittery stars, and then a big bow at the bottom, and some little battery powered lights to go around too.